What if I told you one of Italy's most beautiful cities doesn't try to impress you at all? No loud crowds, no chaos, just streets that quietly pull you in. This is Turin, where every step feels calm, elegant, and unexpectedly personal. Today we're walking a simple route, but discovering a city that reveals itself slowly. This is Tripinn, and where we don't chase highlights, we uncover what's hiding in plain sight, where travel isn't just about places, but about the feeling a place leaves behind. So, if you enjoy discovering the real side of cities, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell, and let's explore together. We begin on Via Roma, a street that feels almost too perfect to be real. Long, symmetrical, and wrapped in endless arcades. It creates a sense of quiet order. The soft echo of footsteps blends with distant conversations. Never loud, never rushed. Shadows and light dance gently along the columns as you walk forward. Even in the center of the city, there's a rare stillness here, a calm that invites you to slow down and simply observe. As the street opens up, we arrive at Piazza San Carlo, often called the living room of Turin, and it truly feels like one. Elegant cafes spill softly into the square, while the twin churches stand in perfect harmony. People sit, talk, sip coffee. Time feels unhurried here. There's life in every corner, yet nothing feels overwhelming. It's a rare balance. Vibrant but deeply peaceful. Leaving the grandeur behind, we slip into quieter, more intimate streets. The crowds fade, the sounds soften, and the city feels closer somehow. Then suddenly, rising above a rooftop, you see it. The Mole Antonelliana, standing tall, almost watching over the city. With every step forward, Turin feels less like a destination and more like a place you belong to. Standing beneath the Mole Antonelliana, you feel its quiet power. It dominates the skyline, yet never disturbs the calm below. There's something poetic about it, bold yet deeply serene. People gather, pause, look up, and then simply stand still. In this moment, the city feels both grand and personal. A rare combination that stays with you. Our journey ends at the River Po, where everything softens. The sound of flowing water replaces the rhythm of footsteps. Trees sway gently and the light begins to fade into gold. Here, Turin feels almost meditative, like a quiet breath at the end of the day. It's not just a place you visit, it's a feeling you carry with you, long after the walk is over. Sometimes the most beautiful moments aren't planned at all. A quiet street, a fleeting glance, a corner filled with light. Turin doesn't try to impress you, it reveals itself slowly. With patience, with subtlety, with grace. And the more you walk, the more you begin to understand it. Not through sights, but through feelings. Turin's quiet streets may feel understated, but they reveal a side of Italy that many travelers never truly see. Beyond the famous cities and crowded landmarks, there's a slower, deeper beauty waiting to be felt. If this walk made you pause, even for a moment, then Turin has already done its magic. If you love discovering places like this, then subscribe to our channel and tap the bell icon. Because your next favorite destination might be just one video away. Continue the journey with us, explore our full Italy playlist here, and discover more hidden streets, untold stories, and peaceful corners around the world.